Summer at the Center is a summer school camp geared around career and tech education programs that we have here at Erie-Wambosse's, and we host students that are at the middle school age. Every year is different, but we have experiences surrounding carpentry, baking, culinary, animation and design, digital media, cosmetology, you name it. Every year we have different selections coming out of our CTE programs. I think they get to find a sense of a passion and interest, and they start thinking about really what their interests are and maybe what they could possibly do in careers later down in their lives. The kids love it. I think that they come in and they're very curious about what they're going to see and what they're going to try, but they're super enthusiastic to try new things, and just to see the smiles on their faces and the other interactions that they have with the campers is truly a delight all week long.